Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful blonde color and save 500 bucks on a hair course by recreating this look at home. This is our starting canvas. I'm starting off at the front with a diagonal section. I'm weaving it through. The reason I'm starting at the front and not the back is because I want the brightest pieces to frame my client's face. After I weave the side, I'm only going in and doing slices. I'm repeating this step until I get to the top, then I'm connecting her money piece to that first foil around the hairline for a bold money piece. I did about 3 foils. For the first foil of the money piece, I did a weave, and then the other 2 I did slices. Then I continue doing a diagonal section at the top for a soft grow out. Moving on to the back, I'm doing horizontal slices and teasing each section slightly. I also make sure to feather up the bleach. This helps create a blended highlight. I did start on a diagonal until I reached the crown area. I also did a few tip outs for a brighter and more solid look. Until I reach the very top, then I'll only be weaving through each section, and this time I won't be teasing it. Now it's time to do the root shadow. I'm using 4N and 5.1 in equal parts. I love using ash in my root shadow formulas because it makes the mids and ends look so much brighter. I'm going about ½ an inch over the highlights, then I comb it through to soften the demarcation line. I always recommend my dark hair clients to get a mini root shadow or tap after any blonde services for a seamless grow out. Moving on to the mids and ends, I'm using 9.1 plus 9.02 in equal parts and leaving it in for about 7 to 10 minutes. I absolutely love this transformation. She was so happy with her results, especially after using box red dye for years. She's finally blonde. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below any other hair videos you would like to see.